Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource for you guys. Microsoft has just launched AI agents for beginners. You must have seen many reels recently where Google launched their AI tools like Vivo 3 where it can generate high quality video. You cannot differentiate either it's AI generated or real, and so many tools like AI mode search, XR device, and so many things. You must have feel overwhelmed like क्या से क्या हो रहा, and I'm not aware, like I'm feeling like कि मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है. I would advise get out this DSA and development thing only. Seek the knowledge in which world is going. Like AI agents is changing the world. Like it can be capture the market more than SaaS, software as a service, because AI agents can not only target B2B, like business to business, it can also target consumers like us, like tools like personal assistant and many bots, right? So AI agents is going to be the market in future, and if you have the knowledge of AI agents, you can be at a right position with a good job, or you can either make your own AI agents and you can sell them. So I'm gonna share what this course hold. It's a beginner, you should seek this knowledge and expand your capability. Okay, so what you will have in this, basically 11 lessons, and the basic details that uh, it support multiple languages, and for this you will get the text and code link here, video link, and the extra learning link. So go through this repo. I'll add this in the description. Read the readme, because many people, like, you can see almost 21K people have started and forked and using this repo. Okay, and if you're not aware about generative AI, because with the help of generative AI, these AI agents are being made. So you can check out this course, Generative AI for Beginners by Microsoft. And at last there are many more courses like ML for beginners, data science for beginners, AI for beginners, cybersecurity for beginners, web development for beginners, IoT for beginners, and so many courses. So go seek this knowledge. uh, People are going, and every like company targeting like AI. अगर आपको AI की नॉलेज रहेगी तो you can be the ahead with everyone else. Okay, इवन मैंने AI LLM का एक रोड मैप भी बनाया है. Here is the LLM road map. I will attach in the description. Go check it out. Here I have attached the resources which you can learn. I will also make a roadmap for AI agents and attach it here. So bookmark. You can check other roadmaps as well. And for interview questions, you can check here CS fundamental and other tech stack. Okay. If any other resource you need, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll curate for you guys and share with you guys. If this video was helpful, do like and subscribe and share your views in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.